Welcome, all of you, dear students. I welcome you all to the class of Mathematics BSc third year, semester 5th, paper number 14. A. Name of the paper is Operation Research, and today's topic I have explained linear programming problem. Dear student, linear programming problem. A linear programming problem means LPP consists of mainly three components. First, decision variable, that means also known as activity. Second, objective means goal, and third is constraint, also known as restriction. So first, the three component of the decision making problem: definition of the decision variable of the problem, identification of the constraint under which the decision is to be made, and third, constructing the objective function to be optimized, maximizing contribution to profit or minimizing cost. Dear student, these are the main three component. First, decision variable. So decision variable, all the decision variable are considered as continuous, controllable and non-negative. Second, objective. The main objective of the problem is it could be of profit maximization, cost, that means time minimization, and so on. The relationship among the variable representing objective must be linear. And third is constraint, that means restriction on the use of resources such as a labor, space, raw material, money, etc., that limit the degree to which an objective can be achieved. This is a general format of a model. Your problem is maximize or minimize objective functions subject to the constraint. Subject to the constraint is restriction is less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and equal to form. And non-negative of decision variable. Non-negative decision variable are always strictly greater than or equal to 0. Okay. The value of the decision variables that satisfy all the constraints including non-negativity constitute of a feasible solution. If the feasible solution maximize the contribution or minimize the cost, it is an optimum feasible solution. Linear programming, that means LP applied to optimization model in which the objective and constraint function are linear. That means linearity implies means proportionality plus additivity. Linear and programming, this is two separate words. The first definition explain linear. Mathematically, a linear function is one in which each variable appears as a separate term and is raised to the first power. That means linear. And programming is, the word programming means choosing a course of action, that is planning activities in a manner that achieves some optimal result within the constraint of resources. This is a linear and problems. Next, dear student, problem formulation. Problem formulation is some problem from real life which have been put in the how to convert the mathematical formulation. So first, problem formulation or modeling is the process of translating the verbal statement of a problem into a mathematical statement. Second, formulating model or mathematical formulation is a art that can only be mastered with practice and experience. The accuracy and value of the